dancing to a higher rank. We bend down.
Hi guys, back with you in the yard as we smile this morning. It's something we do every time we get to this time of year. We take the show outside and take it on the road to the guys who are here. And to you guys who are watching at home, it is time for one of your favorite Friday staples. We call it Roll. Wait, name? Roll out. And guess what? You are the judge this morning. All right, so you have to listen up. We have 3 contestants, Kiba Sparks, Tropical, and the realest Steel. The harder you cheer is the more I will know who the winner is, right? Ready? All right, so first contestant up, Kiba Sparks takes the stage.
You know it's Kiba Sparks, and it's Christmas time, so what we are going to do, we are going to enjoy ourselves. All right then. Arribi-dibbi-dibbi, 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 dang a Christmas nice, and it come back again. Let me tell you about Christmas in Jamaica. How with the cake and it's a real and ginger. I get your gift from your secret Santa. A little girl, them a play dandy shandy. School out, boy, just up in a spangy. Man, pan the corner, them a play domino. Food a cook, music a bumper, so we go. Toy for every boy and girl, grand market. A Nancy story, people are talking. Money are not people, dress up well clean. Western Union line, long, till it lane. Cause it's a merry, merry Christmas. A merry, 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 merry Christmas. I'm just supporting Jamaican Christmas. It's a merry, merry Christmas. It's not no silent night. Yes, it is a holy night. But the loving and the vibes is right. Yes, yeah, no silent. Arribi-dibbi-dibbi, arribi-dibbi-dibbi, arribi-dibbi-dibbi. Dang a Christmas nice.
Arribi-dibbi-dibbi, arribi-dibbi-dibbi, arribi. All right.
Yeah.
Making way now for Benjamin. Be introduced. Hello, sir. Then let me introduce you now. Hi. Me know say out there, you ready? All right, go on. Tropical, take it away, Bridget.
Yeah, man, I know say everybody knows say from Christmas come, you know, happy time. Mommy a fly done, barrel a come done, everybody happy, a craziness, you know the thing. First of all, I want to go Father God, I want to go my son, Alj, you know daddy love you, dog. Yeah, man, you know the crazy attitude. You want to hear the vibes? Hear the vibes now. Me start it, so me go so then. Christmas me a pre, Christmas me a pre, now pre you. Barrel a come down, everybody happy, how about you? Me sing again. Christmas me a pre, Christmas me a pre, now pre you. Me go so, family flying for the Christmas, I bear you. Hey, brother wants a real sister want barrel a ship done, Jordan. Everybody happy, everybody nice and beat a cup of sorrel and rejoice and yeah. Everybody happy for the Christmas. Pepper light on the wall, it a blink up. Kids around the barrel know the thing go. That me know a play and bingo. Tropical a sing, Christmas me a pre, Christmas me a. You know the craziness, yeah.
All right, that was Tropical. Final contestant up for her 1 minute this morning, the realest Steel. Run the track.
Good morning, Smile Jamaica. Good morning, people. At Christmas time, don't? Yeah. Well, you know we have like a mix up in our Christmas too, don't it? When you ready for it? All right. And the real Still, you know. Listen up. All right. Chop. Christmas again and some girl now have nothing for wear. Nah, no money so them can't do them here. Bigger than that, them can't go nowhere. Christmas again and me have stinting on over here. Christmas pass draw one cheer. That people business car me no care. Who no here? I know my business but me have to talk it. I know for them can't go a grand market. No money now run so them have to forfeit. Christmas mix up which part we start it. No shoes now buy for Bigfoot Margaret. Call me now get no cake with chocolate. The money shot already and me at a shark it. Wife plan for beat I me now part it. Christmas again and some girl now have nothing for wear. Nah, no money so them can't do them here. Bigger than that them can't.
Yes, sir, I love the mix up. All right, 3 contestants this morning. I will hang on to this, realest Steel. Carry 5 parking lot. You are the judge. Come forward, guys. It is back. What on the man? I'm going to put my hand over them and you're going to tell me who, right? All right. So was it Kiba Sparks? Was it Kiba Sparks? All right. Was it the man who couldn't wait for bus to stage? Tropical. No? Wanna do the man wicked. Tune it bad here, Tropical. Is it Miss Mix Up, the real estate? Alright, hold on. We'll come back here now, sir. I forgot to do a little run-off first before we go break, because me can't tell. Keep us Sparks? Real estate? Mix Up? Boy, this sound like a tie to me, you know. No? Now one more time. Over here, sir. Over here, sir. Yep, it's Kiba. Kiba Sparks is the winner. Well done, lady.
One thing me vex about. Me should I night. Look, good prize where the woman get. And you get everything, you know. Eh? Gonna clap her, man. Clap her.
Well done.
There you go.
Thank you all.
You can't carry all of this.
Contestants.
Hold on. No, nobody don't move. Everybody gets something.
Everybody gets something.
All right, hold on to this.
Lovely.
You can manage. Me carry it home if you can't manage.
Try nobody to mix up. Nobody
Second
mix
place.
Up. Christmas, huh?
Yeah, and that is courtesy of JP St. Mary and Swiss. This is second spot, right?
Right here.
Second spot. There
and
you
Tropical,
go.
step forward.
I see how the winner. All right. I have a simple thing for telling you.
That's not
she
what the crowd
second.
said. She
Yeah,
did.
when you couldn't talk like more, she come second. Third place. I am the winner too. Everybody win. Everybody. From you get prize, you win. All right, my time now. Run.